Test the microphone. Hello everyone, my name is Efosa. Today I'm going to teach you how to do market structure in the right way. Okay, I know some of you learn how to do market structure in a traditional way, but I'm not going to teach you in a traditional way, but I'm going to teach you how I do my market structure. So it's just very simple. I will first show you the traditional way before I will show you the way I do market structure. So the traditional way would be we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low, so on and so forth. Okay. And if you are doing downtrend, will be lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, so on and so forth. Okay. Those are traditional way of doing market structure. For example, for example, you might say, okay, for example, uh, we're still on traditional way. That is when the market do higher high and higher low. The market went up and this high was taken out. You will see market will definitely pull back to this extent and go. So since market break this structure here and it pull back, we definitely will be looking for how to enter the market. So we're here. So the reason why I don't do my market structure that way is that sometimes it will be very difficult for you to figure out where you will enter the market. Sometimes that you have seen that was sometimes when market you just come break this high, break this high, then pull back, and sometimes you might be thinking that pull back, but thinking that you will enter this market here. Market will not get to this place, it will be here, and the market will like coming down and get to the distance and move. Then you see the market will take you out before it will go up. Okay, so that's the reason why I don't do my market structure that way. So let me just show you the way I do my market structure so that it's just very simple and it's not difficult. So the way I do my market structure, for example, let's assume market is going to come down. You see market is going to range, range. Then it will come down and range, range. Then you see the market will move up here. Look for other block, move for other block. So then when we get to other block that break this low, let me just explain this well. So this is how I do my market structure. Market will range, then it will come here a range and go back to where this range. Okay, let's say here it is the here will be level that the market break, and also the level here that the market break as well. But I'm not going to put my mind here because where I'm really be looking for where to enter the market will be somewhere here. Since the market break this low, so what will happen is that this market will move to find the um, other block that break this low. It will look for it and retest it, and you will see the market will do what? Move down. So that's how the market move down. So the same way the market will do, for example, like so you see the market is going to range down here. So move up, range up. Okay, let's just leave it like that. So, sorry, and this is not too good. So I leave it like that. For example, you see that there is a level here that market break this line. So there is other block that push the other block that break this line. The market will pull back to that other block level and move. So that's how I do my market structure. So that why am I doing it like that way? I'm doing it that way so that I can be able to draw my level. Okay, here able to draw my level here. So the market will step in and does it. So that is how I do my market structure. So I don't do my market structure like the traditional way. So I do my market structure in this way. For example, like as you can see this market here, you will have higher high, higher low, higher high. Sorry, say higher higher low. So sorry, this is a downtrend. Okay, this we have a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We have lower low here, lower high, lower low, lower high. Market dropped. Okay, so now I don't look at market that way. So now, for example, I'm going to look. If you can look at here, there is a range here. Okay, and there was a range here as well. Okay, you see the market move from this range. So let's say here is the level that market break, the one I showed you before. This, for example, let me show you it again. This is we have market range up like this, come down, range, and moved up. Okay, so we'll draw line. Okay, here is this head, down here is here. Sorry for my drawing. So okay, I hope you understand it. Okay, so that's it. So what will happen is there is another other block that break this low. So the other block that break this low is this other block here. So this is where I will just put uh you have to put my where I will wait for markets to come retest it. You can see market retest it. Pull back here will be my entry. Here will definitely be my entry. Then I will because it's a downtrend. So that is how I will definitely enter this market. Okay, let's look for another another opportunities. You can see here, you see there's a range here, and there was a range down here. So there is something I will teach you, but I'm not going to teach you here right now on this video. I will teach you in the next video that I'm going to do how an auto block works. Okay, and how you can use auto block as your as an opportunity for you to enter market. You can see other block here. You can see them. You can see. So that is how it was. See market went, retest the other block, push down. Okay, that is how it works. So we will see range here, for example, like we have range here. So the breaks, the market is going to find a way to here in future and go down. So let's, for example, let's go to another pair. Let's go to. I know people love gold. Okay, let's check gold. Let's see whether if we can apply the strategy, whether it will work. Okay. So as you can see here, so we see that market. There's I could see other block here. Uh, there is other block here, but I could see. But what you will do? Just go to 1 hour so that we can be able to find the other block. So the other, you can see there's another block here. Here, you can see there's another other block here. So you can see the market came, retest it, and push down. So this is what market did. Market will range, go down, range, boom. So as you can see, range here. Sometimes market might not step into the other block. Sometimes here's the range. You can see market retested, they push down, and market push down. You see gold is going to start selling. Gold is going to start selling from a Monday. Okay, this from a Monday. You might say, okay, where is the other block? Okay, I didn't see other block here. If I go, let's go to 30 minutes to see if we can see. Yeah, 30 minutes. There's other block here that break this range. See, this range was broken by the other block. So this is the other block that break the range. So you can see market came, retest the other block that break this range. Here, let me remove this so that I don't confuse you. Okay, okay. So you see, there's the other block here that break this level. That's here. See, market have already retest it, and market is going to come to this place because there is another other block here, here, here. So it will come here, then start buying. So that is how I do my market structure. So let me just recap again so that will show you how I do my market structure. So my market is just market range like this, pull down range. So I will allow the market to move to the other block that break this law. Then that will be my entry. Market will go down. So I hope you learn something from this tutorial. So I will see you some other time. Bye bye. If you have anything you want me to, if you have any question, please let me know. And also subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up. And I will see you some other time. Bye bye.